It's raining, Bigiks. I think it's time for us to cook some porridge or maybe some soup. Let's go! In a pot of 6 cups of water, place the chicken cuts and let's bring to simmer. Once the water boils and the chicken is half cooked, you can place the rest of the ingredients. Let's add ginger. Next, chopped garlic. Cover it to simmer again. Add chicken cubes for flavoring. Lastly, I add 2 cups of instant oatmeal. Cover again and bring to simmer. Wait for 2 to 4 minutes or until the mixture is thick. Sprinkle with spring onions and it's ready to serve. Serve hot for authentic taste. This recipe is inspired by Philippine Arroz Caldo. Thank you for watching, Bigiks. Bye!